und herzlich willkommen. Mein Name ist Matthias Laux, ich bin Redakteur beim Packaging Journal. Es geht weiter mit der Live-Berichterstattung Deutscher Verpackungskongress 2025. Immer noch Mittagspause, immer noch frisch und jetzt dankenswert an meiner Seite Mr. Allan Dickner, Senior Packaging Manager and
also leading the packaging innovation.
The packaging innovation from IKEA?
Yes, IKEA Global.
IKEA Global. So, a very important person. We warmly welcome you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. We're going to switch in English now because Mr. Dickner speaks very good German, but my English is as bad as it is, so we will try.
A compromise.
We compromise.
Yes.
That's it. Mr. Dickner, the title of your contribution today is Packaging in a Changing World?
Yes.
What kind of opportunities does packaging offer?
I would say the whole discussion, I think it's about, have two words a little bit thought about. One is flexibility and one is agility.
Okay.
Because being flexible is not the same being agile. And agile is not as being flexible.
Okay. But would you rank these two?
Yeah, let's say it's about prepare yourself for future scenario, what's happened.
Okay.
Not meaning change today, because all big companies have a quite long time frame to start a change.
Okay.
But you have to be prepared for different scenarios.
Okay.
That's a little bit the direction
I see. I see.
Present.
And would you say IKEA is prepared for these kind of problems?
Yeah, I'm quite happy to say that we have no panic in the house.
Okay.
There are parameters that no one knows about in political regulation and stuff like that. But I think there is no reason for panic.
Okay.
Not to say we are well prepared.
Okay. I think the most difficult part of your job is to think in a global dimension, isn't it?
Yes.
Because there's not just Sweden, there's not just Germany, there's IKEAs all around the world.
Yes. And that's a special type of complexity from climate, temperature, humidity, long haulage transports. It differs very much from Southeast Asia to northern Germany, for instance.
Okay.
But we have to cope with that. And as we try to develop solutions that are scalable in the whole world, that puts certain requirement on testing in a good way and learning before launching something.
Okay. Would you say the efforts from IKEA regarding packaging are much more higher than, let's say, 10 years ago, 20 years ago?
No.
How did that change?
No, I don't want to say it like that.
Okay.
Because packaging has always been a cornerstone in the IKEA's business.
Okay.
The flat packed furniture was actually one of the first, if I should say it, first very big sustainable step, not to transport around a lot of air, but flat pack.
Okay.
So it has always been very much in focus in IKEA.
Okay.
Today even more, but now it's more specific to material choice and stuff like that.
Okay.
But
is there, would you say, there's a specific Swedish way, through Swedish eyes, to look at packaging? Is there any kind of perspective from Sweden to say, yes, that is something the others can learn?
I would say for IKEA, as we have more than 90% wood fiber-based packaging, number one.
Number one?
We are a Swedish company, or I would say we have a Scandinavian approach with a lot of fiber.
That's the word I was looking for, approach.
Yes, I would say, to a certain extent, I think there is a Scandinavian touch to it.
Yeah.
But we call it actually typical IKEA.
Last year I was in Sweden for several days, and I learned that the country talked about sustainability before ever someone called it sustainability, because that's the way regarding wood you did it a long time ago.
Yeah, I'm not surprised, because the wood and the forest has been a very natural part. I mean, we shouldn't forget Sweden and Finland were actually built on the forest industry. There is a reason we have a lot of paper mills in that part.
Of course.
So I can agree that we have been thinking sustainability being in forefront for FSC very much, and that type of certification, yes.
Okay, so the crowd's coming back from lunch. I think that's a signal for us to go back, to your contribution.
Yes.
Looking forward to it.
Yes.
And we say thank you very much for that.
Thank you.